Cyber IT Solutions is Australia's leading Linux and open source professional services company. We began business in 1991 and were the first company in Australia to offer commercial support for Linux and open source software. We provide professional technical support services, deterministic service level agreements, and operational system maintenance and monitoring services to many commercial, government, and non-profit organizations. You too can gain access to our highly proficient engineering team for your organization's critical Linux and IT system requirements, and your system development projects will benefit from leveraging our extensive experience with open source technologies to reduce the timelines and costs of software construction. Our team's technical expertise extends well beyond routine email, web, virtualization, Microsoft AD integration, and server management into infrastructure technologies and disciplines, including Postgres, Python, ISM-compliant design, military-grade security hardening, Linux on cloud, and much more. Call us today and talk with an expert about your technical support or project requirements.